Hello guys, welcome to PcExpress Luxembourg. Okay, so today, if you want to watch the video, I will assemble the Gaming Ultra. It's the gaming PC we have on the website. Okay, we have a few, and this one is named Gaming Ultra with the NZXT black and white case. Okay, so I will show you guys what parts we have chosen to build the PC. And remember, we will follow exactly the PC as it is on the website, but you can always change. If you like the parts but you don't like the case, we change it for you. If you don't like the graphics card, you prefer another brand, we also change it for you. But that's why I'm making this video, because this customer has chosen exactly the PC as it is on the website. Okay, so let me give you a quick tour of the parts we will use for this build. Okay, so the case, this one, it's the NZXT, the H510 Elite, black and white. Okay, let's put it here, like so. And we will use the AMD Ryzen 7, okay, the new one for sure, they just came out. This will be the 3700, okay, the CPU. For sure, the motherboard, MSI MPG X570, okay, the latest chipset from AMD, so we can take full advantage of our CPU. Okay guys, so the motherboard, the graphics card, as you guys can check out on the website. In this build we will use MSI Gaming Trio, okay, is the RTX 2080 Super, okay, the super version. Memory, okay, this is very important because for us to take fully advantage of our 3000 series CPU, we will use DDR4 3200 MHz, okay, at least 3200 MHz to take fully advantage of the CPU. For sure, afterwards we will overclock it a little bit. Okay, we will use 4 times 8 GB for a total of 32 GB. Okay, memory. So SSD, we will use the 500 GB, 970 EVO Plus from Samsung. Really fast, really good quality SSD. Okay. Power supply, because the NZXT is black and white, we will use this one, Corsair RM750X, 750 watts. It's more than enough for our graphics card and the CPU. Okay, I've chosen this one because the cables, they are white, so it will be nice, the assembly, the cables. Power supply. So now let's unbox. Okay, let's start with the case, right guys? Let's go for the case. I really like this case from NZXT. It's modern chic, right? So here we go. This is a nice video because when our customers choose a PC on the website, they get the first-hand impression of how everything will look like, right? So let's go for the case. I really like this one. They are available in black and white and all black. Okay, in the XT case. Okay, check it out. Really fancy. For sure we have LEDs if you like them. If you don't, we can just turn them off. I really like the front. This is glass, okay, not plastic. And inside we have two fans in the front, pulling in cold air, because if you notice, we have holes here, you see, so cold air will come in. The fans will push the cold air in and it will come out with this fan here. For this build, I think I will add another fan here on top, okay? Here we will put the power supply, and let me turn it a little bit, okay? Here we go. One side of the box, the other side of the box, black and white NZXT logo, okay? It's a very good quality case, okay? So this will be the case we'll be using today for our Gaming Ultra PC Express. Okay, so case. Now let's go for the motherboard. Okay, this is a H510i chipset motherboard from MSI. One of the big changes is PcExpress 4. We already have SSDs to use the PcExpress 4, like the gigabyte hours. Okay, motherboard, very gentle. Here we go. Really nice motherboard. Okay guys, take a look. This is the motherboard we will be using. Okay, so let me see what's more you guys have on the box. Wi-Fi antennas, RGB splitter, manual, CDs for sure, 2 seriality cables, a logo, okay, the MSI logo, instructions manual, and that will be it. Okay, the basic. Okay, let's put the motherboard aside, because afterwards we will assemble it with you guys. So here, motherboard. Next, let's go for the CPU. It comes with the RAT cooler, okay? The cooler, it will have a RGB LED, okay? If you are asking, the Ryzen 5 doesn't have it, okay? So, our RAT cooler, here we are. Very gentle, okay? So it comes with a LED fan. We also have LEDs all the way around, okay? Once I power it on, we can check them out. Already thermal compound there, okay? And then we have a USB port and a RGB cable, okay? Very gently, let's put it inside the box. And the CPU, it's here. Here we go, Ryzen 7 with the Ryzen logo, okay? Oops. Okay, so now we will go for the memory, okay? We have 4 times 8 gigabytes. RGB 3200 megahertz. Okay, so let's check it out. HyperX RGB series. Okay, I really like this memory. Okay, then I will show you the light effects. Okay, we have the RAM. Now let's take a look at the most expensive part. Graphics card, MSI Gaming Trio, it's the RTX 2080 Super. Okay, let's check it out. It's heavy. So cardboard, MSI manual, and Lucky the Dragon Computer Workshop. Okay, I think it's like comic books. For sure, because we will assemble the computer for our customer. When the customer picks up the computer, we'll give everything that comes, so all the boxes. For sure, all the hardware will be already assembled and tested inside the computer, but we will always give the customers the boxes along with everything that comes with them. So, let's continue. Okay, the gaming shroud and the GPU. This is really heavy. Oh. Okay guys, take a look. So, MSI 2080 Super, okay? Really nice build quality, 3 fans, okay? And because the GPU will sit in the computer like this, take a look. MSI GeForce RTX. This will be also RGB, so it will come facing the glass on the side. That's really nice, because some graphics cards, they are pretty here, but you put them inside the case and you don't see shit. So this one, we will have RGB on top and here on the side. Okay, really nice. Power supply. Okay, here. Let's take a look why we have chosen this power supply for this NZXT computer case. We spend a lot of time choosing our PCs, our builds, so that we can be sure that everything will work. First of all, for sure, everything must be compatible, right? We'll not use a AMD CPU on an Intel motherboard, for example. And we also care about the colors, right? We try to blend everything. And also, as you can notice, we will use a MSI motherboard, but also an MSI graphics card, right? So, because the case is white and black, we will also use a white and black power supply, okay? And also, take a look at cables, so that everything will be neat and everything will be nice when we put together, right? So, I think that is everything. Oh, SSD. Here we have the SSD, okay? The Samsung M2 970 Evo Plus. Here we go, our 500 gigabytes SSD. So remember, on our website it comes with a 4 terabytes hard drive, but that will be the exception. For sure, the price for our customer, it's cheaper. I lost the invoice, Because remember, if you take a look at one of our builds and you want to change something or to add something, we will always make you the quote accordingly. Okay, so remember, everything that you see, if you don't like the MSI graphics card, you prefer a gigabyte, no problem. We will replace it for a gigabyte. Okay, if you want to add 2 SSDs, we will add you 2 SSDs. We will only add the extra part. Okay, or in this case the customer doesn't need a 4 terabytes hard drive, so we have removed the hard drive from the build and we will discount the hard drive from the total price. Okay, if you are interested about the price for this one, I forgot the invoice, maybe Philippe can tell me. You know the price, Philippe? Okay, I have the invoice. So for this one it will be 2,340 euros. Okay, remember the price of the parts, the labor, because we'll spend like 2 to 3 hours to assemble everything, install Windows, and then we will stress test everything for temperature and compatibility, and also for the Windows license, right? So I'll take all the parts, go to our office in the back and start the assembly. Okay guys? So normally I assemble the PCs here. This is our workbench where we also do micro soldering because it's connected to ground. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I always like to use this. It's like leather, so I don't break anything and I don't scratch anything. Okay, so let's start with motherboard. This is not a tutorial how to build a computer, right? This is just to let you guys check out the end result, okay? Because I will not zoom in and I will not explain to you guys how to build a computer, right? That's why we are here. Okay, I'll give you a pointer. These 2 screws, they come always with the motherboard. They are needed for the M2 SSDs. Keep them, because the M2 SSDs, they don't come with the screws. They always arrive with the motherboard. Okay, so our MSI motherboard. Okay, I'm checking out because for this, the rad cooler for the LED, we can use either the USB cable, okay, USB header that you have, and so we control the lights with a software that we download from AMD. But if we want, we can control the light for the CPU with the cable that goes directly onto the motherboard RGB header. So we will go with this option. So within Mystic Light, we will also be able to control the color of the CPU. Okay, let's go with the RGB header. Okay guys, so the PC is assembled, okay. Let's check it out. Okay, so everything is in place. All the cables, as you can see, they are nice and clean, okay. This is one of the reasons I have used the white cables, okay. It gives a nice contrast. So now my favorite part, let's turn it on for the first time. If everything goes well, we'll go into the BIOS to activate the memory, the XMP protocol from Intel. Let's see if all the slots are occupied. Let's see the temperatures, let's control the fans, and let's see if we have an update for the BIOS, and see if we have control of all the fans. After, I will install Windows to run some stress tests, okay? So, here's nothing. So far so good. Let's press Del to go to the BIOS. Okay, this is normal for the first time. It always takes a little bit extra. And we have screen. Let's check it out. Okay, we are on the BIOS. Okay, so everything seems to be up and running. Okay, now on the BIOS, let's activate the XMP from Intel. Game boost to do a little bit of overclock. Let's see if everything is okay, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. So here you have the final result. We have built this assembly yesterday. The reason why we've chosen these parts for this build is because they all come together, okay? So let's take a look. For start, if I go to Dragon Center, okay, the problem from MSI for the motherboard, I go to Mystic Light, and as you can see here, I can control the lights of the motherboard, the CPU, the graphics card, and the memory, okay? So I can choose to link them all together, so everything will sync. Or I can choose to, for example, right now I have the memory in rainbow, I have the graphics card in rainbow also, and I have the CPU and motherboard in also rainbow. Remember that you can choose all the colors, if you want lights off, if you want lights to blink, so everything will match. If you just like one color, let's say red, you can make everything glow red. Okay, guys, so now another place we must control the lights is for the case, okay, because the case we have fans on the front, okay, with the RGB, and here we have a LED strip to highlight the components inside the motherboard, and all of that is controlled with the NZXT CAM software. Okay, so I go here, NZXT, and as you can see I have monitoring, okay, temperatures and the loads of the CPU and the GPU. So if I want to change the lights for the case, I just need to go here, I will choose the fans in front, okay, so now it's purple. Let's say I want them to be white, okay, it's done. And if I want rainbow or to cycle, I can also do that. I prefer it in purple, okay. So you control the lights for the case here on the NZXT CAM software, and for sure, because we have built the computer yesterday, I will let you guys see a little bit of that. During the night, for sure, we have run a lot of stress tests, because we have to give you guys 2 years warranty, right? So I want to be sure that the computer doesn't overheat. So we have installed a lot of benchmarks software. We have installed an update for the BIOS. We have added a little bit of overclock, okay. More on top, we have added 600 MHz to the PC for us to be able to test the stability of everything. We are really happy with this computer. It will be delivered today to the customer. So the customer will come to our shop. It will take the computer. Everything is ready to go, okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I made this video to give our customers a little bit more information about our gaming PC, the PcExpress Gaming Ultra, okay? So, if you want to build a computer with us, feel free to give us a call, send us an email. We'll be more than happy to give you a quote. Or if you want some examples, you can go to our website, PcExpress.Lu. Then on the computers, you can check out some of our builds, like this one. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.